Dear children, in our last class we had studied about Hitler and Mussolini, about fascism and Nazism. And here we are going to discuss about the outbreak of Second World War. There you can see the words of Woodrow Wilson. The war to end all wars. Woodrow Wilson was the President of America. He told that the First World War was to end all wars. But after the First World War, after the end of First World War, after 20 years, in 1939, and another world war that broke out. The reason behind this, it was the formation of military alliances. We had studied about the military alliances that were formed before the First World War. And here also you can see another two military alliances that are given there in our textbook. You please see that. Germany, Italy and Japan, they formed a military alliance called the Axis powers. Against them, another military alliance was formed. It was called as Allied powers. England, France and China. England, France and China were the members of Allied powers. The League of Nations that was formed after the First World War to prevent a war in future failed to prevent the attacks of Germany and Italy and Japan upon the small nations to make their colonies, to conquer the colonies of other nations. The attacks of Germany, Italy and Japan were also not prevented by the England, France and China. They adopted an appeasement policy. Policy of appeasement. Policy of appeasement means Britain, France and China were not ready to prevent Japan, Germany and Italy from the wars because they considered Soviet Union as their enemy. They thought that Germany and Italy are against socialist countries, against Soviet Union. These Britain, France and China were capitalist countries at that time. That's why they adopted a appeasement policy towards the Axis powers. But when Germany attacked Poland in 1939, announced the Allied powers, England, France and China, declared the war against Axis powers. That caused for the outbreak of Second World War. The sudden reason for the outbreak of Second World War was the German attack upon Poland. The German attack upon Poland in 1939, September 1. It was the sudden reason for the outbreak of Second World War. The war broke out in 1939 after the Poland attack of Germany. But the entry of Soviet Union and America that changed the nature of Second World War. In the beginning of the war, in the early years of war, in the early days of war, Germany, Italy and Japan were making victories upon France and Britain. The Axis powers, mainly Germany, conquered France completely. And they were about to defeat England. But at this time, Soviet Union and Germany entered in the war. Then after the entry of Soviet Union and America in the war, the course of the war that changed. And Germany could not withstand the attack of the joint attack of Soviet Union, America and Britain, and they surrendered in front of them. Mussolini was killed by the local people of Italy. They committed suicide when Soviet Union sent an army towards Japan. America dropped 2 atom bombs in Japan, in Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Little boy and fat man. Japan also surrendered. And as a result of it, in 1945, Second World War came to an end. In 1945, Second World War came to an end. You can see the pictures related with the atomic bombing in Japan in our textbook. You please see that pictures. Picture of atom bomb explosion. The picture of a clock that stopped at the moment of bombing. Hiroshima after bombing. That type of pictures are there. Many artworks that were created by making the war as a subject. Many films were directed. The details of that are given there in our textbook. You please see that. You please read that. The results of Second World War, the effects or the consequences of Second World War that are given there in our textbook as a list. You please see that. Over 10 million people died. Economic system of European countries was destroyed. European dominance in world diminished. Freedom movements in Asia and Africa intensified. America and Soviet Union emerged as a global power. In a bid to preserve and maintain world peace, the United Nations organization UNO was formed. These were the major consequences or the results of the Second World War. We will discuss about the peace of words after the Second World War and other things in our next class. Now we are going to wind up. Goodbye.